The latest release of InDesign CC makes it easier than ever to create standout layouts for print and digital media. The updated Properties panel gives you access to the right settings and controls right when you need them. If you need to change your bleed or page margins on a document you've already created, now you don't have to make a million manual edits. Our new Adjust layout will automatically adjust objects like text and graphics to match the new specs. Our Content-Aware Fit tool will also make it easier for you to place images in your layout. Powered by Adobe Sensei, it will analyze your image, find the focal point, and give it the best positioning within the frame. You can also easily preview and activate the thousands of Adobe fonts right inside your design. Collaboration and feedback are also easier in this release of InDesign. Now when you create a PDF, comments added to the file can be brought back to the app for review. Check out all this and more in our new release of Adobe InDesign CC.